Hey guys, John here with EZLYNK. We get a lot of questions about how could I add EZLYNK to the dash of my vehicle. This is a really good option. This one's from LynxWell. It's their new 15-inch head unit. It's for the 21 to 23 heavy-duty GM trucks. So let's go through it. We got the Auto Agent app here. Gonna pull that up. We've got our dashboard. So we can go through, we can change our gauges, we can pull up the tiles, we can look at a graph if we want, go back to the gauges. If we needed to, we could record a data log here. We can manage the PIDs that we're going to choose to record here. If we go back, we're going to go to the vehicle. We want to remind you guys that we have our flashing out for the L5P. That covers years 17 to 23. And one of the cool things is as you're going to flash a vehicle, say that our sweet truck here, we've got bigger tires. So we're going to go into vehicle details. We're going to edit those details. We're going to change that to 36s because that's just an awesome number. Going to go in, and if we change our gear ratio in the truck, we can manage that here. We're going to save that. It's going to change our vehicle details. We're going to be able to go in after we do that. We're going to go to the ECU profile. Once we've done that, any of the ECU profiles that are here, you can go through and flash, and it'll save those changes with the tire size and with the gear ratio. So we're going to do this OEM update. Going to install that. Proceed. Confirm. Continue. Put that in service mode. Continue. And now we can install that profile. So this is going to make those changes. If you go between tire sizes, we've talked about this in other videos where you're not going to have to reach out to your technician. You're going to be able to go in, adjust that yourself, and then reflash that. If you decided to go back to winter tires, something like that, you can adjust it. No need to bother that technician. Just want to tell you guys, we appreciate you for stopping by. And if you want to get this set up in your 21 to 23 GM, make sure you reach out to LynxWell and they'll get you hooked up. Appreciate you. Catch you on the next video.